My yard is made up of Bermuda grass, possibly common. On the south side, I have thin grass struggling due to shade from trees behind my fence. The area gets 2 hours in the morning and 2 hours of evening sunlight. I tried fine fescue. It did well until April, but then died probably from the heat. Are there any shade-tolerant Bermuda or Zoysia varieties that would work here, or should I use a fescue? And this is Pradeep, Collierville, Tennessee. All right, Pradeep, we're here in Memphis, Tennessee. At our Shelby County Extension office, which is located at the Agri Center, we have a turf plot. And in that turf plot, we have 4 different varieties of Zoysia. 3 of those will work very well in shade.
Yes.
G.O. Zoysia, G.E.O., G.O. Zoysia, Palisade Zoysia, which is a very popular
One of my favorites.
Zoysia, okay. Palisade is real good. And then Royal Zoysia. They all have excellent shade tolerance.
Yes.
Again, excellent shade tolerance.
Yeah.
They need at least 4 hours of filtered sun. Okay, so it looks like we may have, that 4 hour here.
Might.
Those 4 hours here. So 4 hours of filtered sun, but those grasses would work well in your area.
Yeah, I have a palisade on the north side of my garage, and it where Bermuda and other grasses wouldn't grow, it has filled in.
Okay.
So
yes,
you
know it works.
I know it works.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's just a beautiful grass. It grows like carpet, pretty thick. You don't have to worry about weeds and things like that. But again, for shade tolerance,
yes,
those Zoysia varieties would do you just well.
Yeah.
Yeah. So come over to the Shelby County Extension office. We'll be happy to give you a tour of our grasses. And don't forget, other places in the country may have turf wheels or turf plots.
That's right.
As well.
They do.
So you can also visit those at your local extension offices. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.